Hello friends, how are you? আজকে we are going to talk about Marxist theory of base and superstructure. Okay, so দেখা যাক what is the Marxist theory. Let's see. So human beings have existed over 200,000 years, and out of those 200,000 years, only capitalism has existed only for a few hundred years. Okay. So this private property and class system, this has existed for a very short period of time compared to entire human existence. Okay, now so let's see what Marx proposed as the base and superstructure theory in his Marxist theories. So what Marx said was there's the base forms the economic structure of the society, forms the base of the society. Okay, and from the base, the superstructure is created. Let us see what are the parts of the base, and then we'll come to what is the superstructure, parts of superstructure. So, part of the base, two very important things. One is proletariat, and another is bourgeois. Bourgeois. Let's focus on the spelling: bourgeoisie. I repeat, bourgeoisie. Okay, that's bourgeois and proletariat. Okay, these are basically terms, fancy terms, which basically mean that bourgeois means the owners and proletariat means the laborers. Okay, okay. So we are very excited about Marxism in West Bengal. We were actually, so it's interesting to know these concepts. Okay, so the economic structure of society is divided into mode of production and relations of production. Okay, so what is modes of production? Can be capitalist, communist modes of production. Okay, and what is modes of production is divided into two parts. One is productive forces, another is relations of production. Okay, so modes of production is capitalist or communist, etc. And what are productive forces? It combines of the labor required for the production as well as the means of production. Now, what is the means of production? It is everything that is required for the production. That means the raw material, equipment, anything. Suppose you are taking out iron ore. Okay, so the equipment required, the raw material, everything is means of production. Okay, and what is relations of production? Relations of production is the social class that exists between the given mode of production. It is the class difference which exists between the different modes of production. Okay, now let's go to the superstructure. Superstructure consists of everything which are not directly part of production. Okay, and military, police, law, education, religion, art, culture, family. Okay, that's basic units. Okay, so we see that base and superstructure, there is not a linear relation. That means only because of the base superstructure is dependent. It's not that. The base forms the superstructure. Again, the superstructure affects the base also. Okay, so this is basically a very brief outline of Marxist view of base and superstructure. Thank you, friends.